This is not an ASMR. So, today we're talking about soup. Not this type of soup. Oh, this type of soup is good. We're talking about simplified, organized, unified propositions. So, this is a four uh, point thing I came up with to help memorize how, when you argue about stuff, that you do it in a simple way and one that would actually make sense to anyone. Simplified, meaning, of course, that you make things as close to real as possible. Like you take a proposition or an argument and you boil things down to make it as tight as possible. You make it uh, very much according to Occam's razor. Although I would not want it to touch my beard. Just kidding. Although seriously, no one touches my beard. All right. So organized. So doesn't matter if you're doing a syllogism or any other type of argument. You want to be organized. Otherwise, it's going to be a nonsense. Uh, Unified. So everything has to fit together. If it does not fit together, it becomes nonsensical. And no one will pay attention if it's nonsensical because it gets just odd and weird. So, and proposition. So, proposition, I just threw it down there because the thing is, you want to make sure that it's all uh, boiling down to one statement, which encompasses the whole idea. That's your proposition. Be a premise, conclusion, a syllogism, which is perfectly example of soup. It could be proposition after proposition, mutually verifying each other or negating to the conclusion. Doesn't matter. This is how you argue very well. And sorry for this short video, or this video essay, but remember, soup, simplified, organized, unified proposition. And like, comment, subscribe. Tell me if you like soup. Tell me your favorite type of soup. And I'll see you in the next episode. And I'll see you in the next video essay I do.